Let's make perfect pineapple fried rice. First, grab your ingredients: shrimp, egg, frozen mixed veggies, soy sauce, pre-cooked rice, scallions, and pineapple. Defrost your shrimp on the counter. Then cut your pineapple in half lengthwise. Start by cutting along the edge of the pineapple, leaving about a ½ inch border. Then cut the pineapple into chunks and scoop the chunks out. Discard the center core. You can always omit this step, but it is super fun to serve in a pineapple boat. Set the pineapple chunks aside, along with any additional juices that come from the pineapple. Thinly slice the scallions. Make sure to separate the white parts from the green parts. Crack and scramble the egg into a small bowl. Add a drizzle of oil to a skillet on medium heat. Add the white parts of the scallions and sauté. Then add your shrimp and cook until it's just pink. Next, add the frozen veggies and cook for another few minutes. Add the pre-cooked rice and stir. Create a well in the center of the pan, add another drizzle of oil, and add your scrambled egg. Scramble the egg until it's almost fully cooked, then start adding in the rice and veggie mixture. Pour in the soy sauce and stir for another few minutes. Next, add the pineapple chunks along with the juices. Stir, then remove from heat. Serve in the pineapple bowl if you desire. Top with the green parts of the scallions and enjoy!